Hello, welcome to class. Today we want to help Superboy Mike increase his brain power. Superboy Mike has been telling me that he's not been able to think clearly, he's not been very productive, and he's not been happy. And so in today's video, I'm going to help Superboy Mike get able to think clearly, be more productive, and be very happy. So next time, we don't want to see these strands of Indomie in his head anymore. You can see, well, this is Superboy Mike, and he's I'm telling you, he does the best things for me. So I'm going to help him. That's why I want you to pay close attention. So how are we going to help Superboy Mike increase his brain power? So stick with me, please. Look, so I remember when I was trying to do my assignments and when I was in school, okay, I found it very difficult to concentrate. So like Superboy Mike, I can relate to his experience. He feels that he's not able to concentrate properly. It seems like everything is going out of reach, and then it's like he's not happy all the time. So he's not fulfilled. So what did I do? The first thing I need you to understand is that if you want to increase your brain power, you must give your brain what it wants. If you give your brain what it wants, it's going to give you what you want. Because I'm telling you, the brain is a storehouse, okay? The brain is like the CPU. The brain is like the engine room of the human body. I'm telling you, the brain is when Mr. Mike, he knows whether he's consciously happy or unconsciously not happy. So, well, what did I do when I was in school? Okay, like we are going back to the whole thing. But the first thing I need to do was that I tried to listen to my body. When you listen to your body, you know if you are feeling pain in your head. Like Superboy Mike is telling us that he doesn't think clearly, he's not productive, and he's not happy. To help Superboy Mike, I need Superboy Mike to eat properly. So we are going to allow Superboy Mike to eat a lot of food. He's going to eat a lot of food because this food, not just anything, okay, food that's going to promote energy into the brain because the brain needs a lot of energy to function. So we're talking about energy giving foods, glucose, okay, these kind of things that enable Superboy Mike to think clearly, be more productive, and be happy. Second thing is that Superboy Mike, apart from food, and that is diet, Superboy Mike needs a lot of rest. So we have here diet and we have here rest. Superboy Mike needs to diet properly and he needs to sleep well. So another thing that made me break down when I was in school was that I wasn't sleeping enough. It's very good that you have your nap in the afternoon for 20 to 30 minutes, but at night you must make sure you have at least 8 hours of sleep, undisturbed sleep. I'm not talking about the one that is sleeping and waking and sleeping and waking. You have to sleep for 8 hours because your body needs a lot of rest. It doesn't matter what you're doing throughout the day. And finally, the third thing that Superboy Mike needs is that we used to hear when they say, all play and no work makes Jack a dull boy, and all work and no play makes Jack what? A dull boy. Whatever that means. So we don't want Superboy Mike to be either of that. One is dieting and resting because Superboy Mike likes to play a lot. We're going to make him to exercise. So when he diets, rest, and exercise, it's going to be okay, and it's going to increase his brain power, and it's going to be thinking clearly, will be more productive, and it's going to be happy. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.